Hi, good afternoon, both of you. Riyansh and Aisha, open your camera and your mic. Am I audible? Am I audible to both of you, Riyansh and Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
hi Riyansh. Hi Riyansh, how are you doing?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Riyansh. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
You're fine. That's great. So, what's new today?
Ma'am, that today I went to my car to fit interior car lights with my father.
You went to where? I couldn't hear properly.
I went to my car to fit interior car lights.
Okay. So, where do you live? And give me some introduction about yourself so that I will be able to know you better.
I live in
Where do
Delhi.
you live?
I live in
You live
Delhi
in
in Vasant Kunj E Pocket. My address is E1 Pocket E834. But I'm
Okay.
shifting from this place in 2 weeks
Oh, where are you shifting to?
to Palam Vihar, Sheikh Vihar.
Okay. Okay. Great. I know places in Delhi. Chalo, and where do you study? Where do you go to school?
NCS.
Okay, that's great. And in which class you are?
Both B.
Fourth, section B. Right. Hi, Naisha. And hi, Siddhant. Good afternoon. Naisha, open your camera. Hi, how are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
You're fine. What's new today?
Huh?
What's new today? Today is Sunday. What is your plan for today? Any plans after the class, maybe? No? Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai.
And in which class you study?
Third.
Third grade. Okay. And we have Ishani also. Hi, Ishani. Hi, Ishani. Open your camera mic. Ishani, open your mic. Your mic is off. And hi, Vivansh. Hi, Siddhant. Yeah, talk now. Hi, Ishani.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. And so give me your introduction a bit. Where do you live? In which class you study?
I study in class 3. I live in Hyderabad, Telangana.
Okay, that's great. And how was your day till now? How has it been till now?
I live in Telangana, but I don't know Telugu because my mother is from Delhi.
No, no, it's okay. I'm asking, what did you do? Today is Sunday, right? What did you do till now? It's afternoon already.
I went to my Kuchipudi class because today is my performance, and I even went to my art class
Okay,
and I
my
ate
God.
my lunch.
Oh my God. So you have done a lot of work already. Great. So best of luck for your Kuchipudi performance today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, hi Vivansh.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you doing?
Fine.
Fine. What's new? Give me your introduction.
Ma'am, I'm in third standard,
Mhm.
F section. I'm in Ramotri Nagar, Blue Lotus Park.
Okay, you're in third grade, third standard.
Yeah.
Okay. And Siddhant, what about you? Yeah,
Ma'am, I forgot to tell you my favorite video game which
please
I
tell me
play.
which is your
My
favorite video
favorite
game.
video games are Roblox and Minecraft, ma'am. But we
Oh
also
my
have
God.
Roblox. Wait,
Oh wow, Vivansh also likes Roadblock.
ma'am, but Minecraft costs money, and my parents ordered Robux for me.
Oh wow, that's so great. That's so great. So you,
Ma'am, Robux are the currency in Roblox. Then how much do you have? How much Robux do you have? 800
he has 800, you see. Vivansh, how much do you have?
Robux.
Yeah.
0. Ma'am,
Oh,
we don't even need Robux. If we want to use some shortcuts, we can use Robux.
okay. Okay. Although, see, I'm not into video games, but I would learn some things about video games from all of you, and I'll teach you reasoning.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Hmm.
ma'am, I want Roblox to customize my character, not to just cheat in any copy or something like
Seriously,
that. I
dude,
just want to.
I already have John avatar.
So we are having a
I
conversation
have
about.
a fire avatar with ice.
Seriously,
God.
dude, John
I'm
is
a
more
devil in
better.
Roblox.
Dude, John with that blue kind of jacket is very good.
I have a John with half fire and half ice.
I know you're
Whoa. Half fire and half ice he has.
There is
Yes,
no
ma'am. And
avatar like that
And
in
ma'am,
it.
in my
Yeah.
Minecraft,
See, Reyanshi is saying there is no avatar like that. Half
Yeah.
fire and
ma'am,
half
there
ice.
there
There
is.
is.
It's not.
Okay.
There is.
Akish, do you know blocks fruits?
Yeah, I'm max level and I have a Kitsune.
Seriously, dude, I'm using magma in level 85
Oh my God. In which language you are talking? I am not able to understand that.
English.
Ishan,
Ma'am,
you.
my level is max 2550 with the best fruit, Kitsune.
Dude, my friend is going to get that dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit?
That
I already have a dragon fruit. Do you play
dude, not
Ninja
that,
Legends?
not that dragon fruit. That upgraded dragon fruit.
Oh, don't
Do you
we
play
eat
Ninja Legends?
dragons? See, please, one question. Don't we eat dragon fruit?
Yes, ma'am. You eat only
Yeah,
dragon fruit.
ma'am, but in that game it's different.
Yes,
Oh.
ma'am.
Like it
The
will have a
shape,
dragon
ma'am,
head
the
on its
face is
face.
like the fruit is just like a dragon, ma'am. It's a dragon. You eat it
And
and then it
magma
walks
is-
like a dragon.
Oh my God. All of you are so leveled up already. Ishani,
Do you play
do
Ninja
you
Legends?
understand anything
dude,
what
did
they're
you-
talking about? Okay, hold on. Dude,
Yes,
hold
ma'am.
on.
I have
Ish-
heard Roblox so many times, but my mother doesn't allow me to play these all video games. She sends me
I'll
out
say why,
to play.
because you will get scammed. I know.
She sends me out to play.
Yeah, she goes outside. I mean, outdoor playing is much better than, playing all the time on computer and,
Ma'am, I only
Yeah.
play on weekends.
what? Only on the
I only play
weekends.
on weekends.
Oh, that's great. That's good.
Same for
And
me.
on
I do on
weekends,
Saturday,
I only
Sunday
play
only.
I only play for half an hour and one day. Like yesterday I played, so I won't play today. And ma'am,
Oh.
in Minecraft, my skin is my character is half fire, half ice with a black jacket, black pants.
Oh my God,
Dude,
that
did you know
must
I'm
be
Steve in
looking.
Minecraft?
Yeah, I play Minecraft.
And did you
We
know
have,
I'm Steve?
hold on, dude. We have more students in the class. I need to
will
talk to them. I need to talk to them. Yeah. Hi, Samriddhi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you
Samriddhi,
doing?
how did you come from the Olympiad success to that other Olympiad success to here?
I'm
How?
in
What?
logical reasoning also, okay, Vivansh?
Oh my God, are we having a fight in the class? No, you are not allowed to fight in the class.
Ma'am, actually, in my maths Olympiads access,
We both are
Vivansh is
same.
asking.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
both are already in the Maths Olympiad class also batch.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you can take maths and reasoning or English or science. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Sounds-
I'm taking science and logical reasoning. I have also taken maths Olympiad from Shuttle, and I've even taken science Olympiad
Oh,
of
wow.
Rakhi, ma'am.
Rakhi ma'am teaches you. Great. Hi, Siddhant is also there. Siddhant, would you like to join us for a conversation? We all are having a conversation, Siddhant. Siddhant, so tell me one thing. Has any one of you given reasoning Olympiad yet?
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am, I
You
got
have?
very good marks.
Oh, wow. Did you got
Ma'am,
any
I was
medal?
in the top 30.
Top 30. My God. Did you got any medal?
Nope.
No.
Okay, great. So if you have, traveled so far, I hope so that in the next
मैम मुझे
exam you
इंग्लिश
will get.
समझ भी नहीं आती और बोलनी भी नहीं आती.
सिद्धांत, इट्स ओके. हम लोग हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर सकती हूँ. मुझे हिंदी आती है, इंग्लिश आती है और बंगाली आती है. So if any one of you is Bengali, I can talk to you in Bengali. Samriddhi, you are Bengali?
I'm not Bengali, but ma'am, but I know French. Ma'am, I know French.
Okay, but so
Ma'am, do you know to talk in French and Spanish?
no, I'm so sorry. I do not know
Ma'am,
any
I
of those
can
foreign
talk
languages.
French, English, and Hindi.
I know
Wow.
Telugu, little Hindi. I know Telugu, little Hindi, little Kannada, and full English.
Wow. So you know 4 languages. Little,
And by the
little.
way, I know the biggest word.
Which is the biggest word?
Pneumonia ultramicroscopic silicoalkinoconiosis.
I think I also heard about that word. I also know that word.
In spell bee, that guy will say the spelling I got.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Should we start with the topic for today? Shall we start? Yes. If I have your permission, all of you. So did you ask my name? Do you know my name?
Nope.
No. So my name is Chandni, right? Chandni, Chandni. Okay, so you may call me Chandni ma'am.
Ma'am.
So
And
yeah.
Chanvi or Chanvi?
Chandni, moonlight.
Ma'am, Chandni is my maid's name. Also.
And you said in last time your maid was sick.
How do you remember about her maid? Let it be, Rayanj. How do you? It's okay.
Ma'am, my name is not Riyansh, Vivansh.
Vivansh, yeah, Vivansh. I'm so sorry. I had some misunderstanding. Rayansh, Vivansh, so many, same syllable names.
Yes.
Chalo. So here you see, this is going to be our today's topic, coding, decoding. If you have given any reasoning Olympiads yet, you must be knowing about this topic already. So
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
not related
Nope.
to the computer coding. It's not related to the computer. So if you are wondering, is it computer coding? No, it's not the computer coding, but it is reasoning coding, decoding. Right? सिद्धांत, ये रीजनिंग आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कोडिंग डिकोडिंग, ठीक है? और ये हमारा पहला टॉपिक है कोडिंग डिकोडिंग रीजनिंग का. So in coding decoding, we are going to see some tricks and tips. So first of all, topics to be covered will be these. Learning the tricks of alphabet values, letter coding, number to letter coding, and chocolate questions. So you must be knowing the chocolate questions already. You are already in the Olympiad success. So yeah.
Ma'am, what are chocolate questions? Are the questions made out of chocolate?
Easy
Like
questions.
what question?
No, those questions are
What
easy
question?
questions. Yeah.
Oh, I thought questions made out of chocolate.
Chocolate. So do you like chocolate, right? So you must be liking those chocolate questions also. Okay. Now.
Ma'am, I don't like
So-
chocolate. Ma'am, I like chocolate, but I actually don't like chocolate because, ma'am, in reality, chocolate is actually very bitter.
Chocolate. Oh yeah, you're right.
A dark
Chocolate is actually
chocolate.
Ma'am,
Dark
other
chocolate.
people, the people just put sugar and make it sweet, but in actual reality, chocolate is very bitter.
And
You're
also
right.
chocolate will make your heart little good, by the way.
Heart, yeah. Dark chocolate is very good for our blood pressure and our heart also.
Yeah.
Right. So here we are going to learn about some tricks of alphabet values. You all of you know, you're in third grade, you know all the alphabets very fluently. So in coding decoding, you will need to tell the alphabet place value, right? Suppose you are asked what is a place value? Yes, Riyansh.
Ma'am, I've done this. Like my first letter's place value is 18. And ma'am, there are some questions like they give you like in
Ma'am?
chocolate questions.
Hmm.
Is like what is the opposite letter of P? It's ma'am, it's K.
Yes. Yes. So that would be the reverse equivalence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Who else was calling? Siddhant, was it you?
मैम
Siddhant?
स्पीक इन
हाँ.
हिंदी.
ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करूंगी और थोड़ा इंग्लिश में बात करूंगी क्योंकि हमारे साथ और भी बच्चे हैं जो कि इंग्लिश समझते हैं और आप हिंदी समझते हैं, तो मैं दोनों लैंग्वेज में बात करूंगी. ठीक है, देखो. So we have all the alphabets. हमारे पास यहाँ सारे alphabets हैं. You will have to tell. Suppose you are abruptly asked what is the place value. Q का क्या place value? Just tell me.
मम्मी
17.
Samriddhi. No, don't tell now. Let me explain. No, Samriddhi, yeah, tell.
Mom, I was not telling the answer. I want to tell that you can speak in Hindi only. We can.
Yeah, but you see, Vivansh does not know Hindi. He knows Hindi a little bit, so I cannot talk in Hindi. Secondly, I think Naisha also does not know Hindi. So what you have to do, students, you have to take EJOT. Whoever learns coding decoding, जो भी coding decoding पढ़ते हैं उनको EJOT concept पता होता है. ठीक है? EJOT means EJOTY. You only have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for these, and then multiply all of these by 5. I hope so that all of you know the table of 5. So for E, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. For T, 5 fours are 20, and for Y, 5 fives are 25. So the place value for E is 5, the place value for J is 10, for O is 15, for T is 20, and for Y 25.
Yeah.
E के लिए place value है 5, J के लिए place value है 10, O के लिए 15, and T के लिए 20, and Y के लिए 25. Right? Now, you know that Y के आसपास कौन से letter है? You know that either sides of Y are Z and X, W, all of these are either sides of, on the left hand side of Y. So you can count from Y. You can take Y as a reference. आप Y को reference ले लो और Y के आसपास के values आप बता सकते हो, letters के value. ठीक है? Same way you know J का मैंने आपको 10 बोला. I told you J as 10. So after J you have K, so K will be 11. And then you have L will be 12. Not only that, I have some other trick as well for you. You see, we have T20 matches, right? So you remember from T20. हम T20 matches होते हैं cricket में, so आप उससे याद रख लो T20. So for T it is 20. Okay, all of you keep your cameras on. All of you keep your cameras on so that I can see you. Huh? Then for Naisha, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ishani, any problem? Ishani, are you there? Any problem, Ishani?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You can tell me if you are not able to understand anything, you can let me know. Right? So for T, that would be 20. Another thing that for L, when you say L, so 12. So the prominent letter which you can hear is 12. L 12. Okay. Another thing, you see, for H is 8. If you write H like this, it looks like 8. So that's one more trick to remember, that H is, the place value for H is 8. Right? So these were some place value. Not only that, one more thing is there. You see, आप यहाँ पे देखिए W, X और Y के लिए, V, W, X के लिए, right? Look at here. For V, W and X, V has got 2 spikes. So V के लिए, so V, W and X are last 3 letters, not last 3, but they are in 20s. In counting, they are in 20s, right? So for V, it will start from 2. The 10th place will be 2 only, but then V has got 2 spikes. So 2, 22. W has got 3 spikes, so 3, 23. X has got 1, 2, 3, and 4 spikes, so that would be 24 for X. Right? Can we repeat again? What are the tricks did I tell you?
मैम
What
कुछ
is
समझ नहीं आया.
अच्छा, मैं ये कह रही हूँ सिद्धांत कि आपको ये सारे लेटर्स जो ये अल्फाबेट्स है ना, आपको उनके प्लेस वैल्यू बताने होंगे. जब आप कोडिंग डिकोडिंग के क्वेश्चन करोगे, आपको उनके प्लेस वैल्यू बताने होंगे. ठीक है?
मैम
तो
प्लेस
सब
वैल्यू क्या होता है?
प्लेस वैल्यू की कौन से पोजीशन में है वो. जैसे कि अगर मैं आपसे पूछ दूं कि Q कितने नंबर का लेटर है, 26 अल्फाबेट्स है हमारे पास, तो Q कितने नंबर का लेटर है? Q 17 नंबर का लेटर है. अभी आप कैसे बताओगे? आपको सिर्फ याद रखना है EJOTY. E1, J2, 3, 4, 5. Now multiply all of these by 5. Huh? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and 5 fives are 25. तो कहने का मतलब, what I want to say is that for E, the place value is 5. You see here. For J, the place value is 10. For O, the place value is 15. You can see 15 is written. For T, the place value is 20, which is written here. For Y, the place value is 25, which is written here again. Got it, Siddhant?
Yes, ma'am.
ये करना है हमें. Now, so tell me 2 tricks which I have told. Reyansh, tell me 2 tricks which I mentioned.
Ma'am, 2 tricks that you mentioned is that H, it's ma'am, it's like kind of, if you like bend H, you'll get 8.
Very correct. One more.
And for V, you know, there are 2 pointed sides, so it will be 22. And for W, there are 3 pointed sides, so it will be 23. And for X, there are 4 corners, so you will get 24. And you
20.
already know X, Y because of HOT.
EJOT, very correct, very correct. So you can see that this is what I was trying to tell you. Another one more thing which you can remember is about M and W. M is the 13th letter. So if you rotate M to the clockwise direction, it will look like 3. So M is the 13th letter. And for W, it is the 23rd. I already gave you one more trick for W, right? 3 spikes. So 23 for W. This is one more way how you can remember the. ये एक और तरीका है W का place value याद करने के लिए. For P, you can see if you flip P upside down, it looks like 6. So for P, it is 16. P के लिए 16 होता है. Right? Vivansh, tell me 2 tricks which I have explained. Your mic is off.
V has 2 spikes, so it will have so the 2 spikes means 22.
W has, what is the place value for W? W has 3 spikes, right? You see W, 3 spikes, and W will be the last few letters, one of the last few letters. So it will start from 2 only. It has got 3 spikes, so 23 for that. What is the place value for X? Anyone? Not
24.
Rayansh, not Rayan. 24. 24. What is the place value for M, Naisha? Place value for M is?
13.
13. Very good. And what is the place value for S? Can you tell me, any of you? S?
19.
19. Very correct. So if you want to write, you can mention that on your notebook, because maybe in later you may forget all these, right? We are moving on to see some question. First is your letter coding. आपका पहला है letter coding, where हम letter को ही letter में code कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? In a certain code language, Madras is coded as NBESBT. Now, can you tell me how have we coded Madras as NBESBT? MADRAS. Madras का कोड दिया है हमको NBESBT. How is that possible? What is the rule here? Tell me, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, MADRAS is coded as NBESBT. So after MN comes, after AB comes, after DE comes, after RS comes, after AB comes, after ST comes. So after every letter, which letter comes, that is making NBESBT.
Absolutely correct. Well explained. So the rule is that we are going one forward. यहाँ पे rule ये है कि हम एक forward जा रहे हैं. सिद्धांत, आपको समझ आया? सिद्धांत, क्या आपको समझ आया?
No, ma'am.
देखो सिद्धांत, हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, आपको एक लेटर आगे जाना है. मतलब M के बाद क्या आता है? N आता है. M में एक ऐड करोगे तो N आएगा नेक्स्ट. A के बाद क्या आता है? B आता है. तो A में 1 ऐड करोगे तो नेक्स्ट B आएगा. D के बाद E आता है. मीनिंग जस्ट आपका जो लेटर दिया है ना, आपको उसके एक लेटर हम आगे जा रहे हैं. A के बाद B, S के बाद T. सो आपको बॉम्बे के लिए भी यही करना है. BOMBAY. B के बाद क्या आता है सिद्धांत? Keep your mic on.
बाद 3.
C. O के बाद P. P आता है, राइट? M के बाद N आता है सिद्धांत. अब now you
Yes.
check from the options. Now you check from the options, eliminate out those options which does not look like our answer. P, C, P, N can be our starting 3 letters. After A, B, we have C. So your answer will be either of these again. So that's the last one. Y,
And
after
B.
Y, we have Z. Right? So yes, your answer is option 2. Correct? So first you have to find out the rule. What is the rule? Number coding. Now number is coded as number only. 5, 4, 7 is coded as 15, 12 and 21. 6, 9, 2 is coded as this. What will be the code for 3, 1, 6?
Ma'am, can I tell something?
Haan, tell Samriddhi.
Ma'am, in 5, 4, 7 is coded as 15, 12 and 21 because ma'am, they are just multiplying it by 3.
They're only multiply. So if you are okay, that's great. That's great. You are right. Yeah, tell me Samriddhi.
Ma'am, can you tell the answer?
Yeah, please tell.
Ma'am, the answer will be 9, 3, 9, 3, 9, 3, 18.
Nine,
Ma'am, 9, 3, 18.
Right,
Ma'am, I
3,
said C.
You already said, yeah, both of you gave the correct answer. Naisha, did you understand? Can you tell me what was the logic here?
We have
Huh?
to multiply by 3.
हाँ, we have to multiply by 3. देखो सिद्धांत, यहाँ देखिए 5 और 7 को हमने ऐसे कोडिंग किया है. 5 और 7 को हमने कोड किया है 15, 12 और 21. ये कैसे हो गया? Because we are multiplying all of these by 3. हाँ, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 4 3s are 12 and 7 3s are 21. राइट? तो ये सेकेंड वाले में भी आपका वही रूल है. तो आपको 3 1 6 के लिए ऑल्सो यू हैव टू डू द सेम थिंग. 3 2s are
Ma'am,
6,
समझ नहीं
3
आया.
3s are 9. आपको यहाँ पे सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सिद्धांत, आपको पता है 3 का टेबल?
Yes.
हाँ, तो आपको सिर्फ 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 3 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या होगा?
Sir,
3 3s are
मुझे 3 का नहीं आता, मेरे 3 का टेबल आता है बट
अरे आप, ओ माय गॉड, अब अगर आपको 3 पूरा का टेबल आता है तो आपको 3 3s तो आना चाहिए ना.
यस बट नहीं है.
3 3s 9 होता है. सिद्धांत, आप अपना कैमरा ऑन करिए पहले. लेट मी सी यू. कितने क्यूट लगते हैं आप, जरा देखने दीजिए आप मुझे. 3 3s होता है सिद्धांत 9, एंड देन 3 1s 3 एंड 3 6s 18. तो 9 3 और 18 हो जाएगा आपका आंसर. कौन सा ऑप्शन है? ऑप्शन सी.
यस.
हाँ, तो आपका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी अगेन. ठीक है. अनदर टाइप इज number to letter coding, where the numbers are coded in letters. How is that possible now? So you can see for another also we are given 1 5 7 8 9 is coded as this, 2 3 4 6 is coded as ALUR. How is 2 3 5 4 9 coded in written in that language? So how will we write that? So this is called a mixture question, right? 1 5 7 8 9, the code for it is EGKPT. 2 3 4 6 is ALUR. You just have to see what are the codes given and just pick it up. There is no logic to it. The letters are randomly given some number. Ishani, can you explain what will be our answer and why will be that our answer? Why will that be our answer? Ishani, we have to tell for 2 3 5 4 9.
Ma'am, we are just taking the first number out.
No, not we are picking the first number out. We are just taking their codes. For E, what is the code? देखो यहाँ पे for 2 क्या लिखा है? 2 के लिए कोड है आपका
Ma'am, E's number is 5.
E's number is 1 here. For E, it is 1 here. Not, we are not taking the place values. This is called a mixture question. You just have to pick up their coding which is given here. ठीक है. For A, for 2, it is A because for A, it's written 2 here. You see? ALUR 2 3 4 6. So for A, it is 2. So for 2, you will write A here. 3 के लिए क्या है? L है. So you will write L here. Now eliminate out your options. Right? For 5, what is the code for 5? G. ALG. Either B or C will be our answer. Thereafter, what is the code for 4? Which letter is code for 4? U. U. So U. ALGU option C will be our answer. Yeah, Ishani?
Ma'am, for 9 it is
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Who did not understand? Chalo, let me explain again. No problem. Who did not understand? I want you to read the question once. Read it. This is called a mixture question. Read. Vivansh, who is that? Read.
In certain code 15789 is written as EGKPT and 2346 is written as ALUR. How is 23549 written in that code?
Right? So 15789 EGKPT. 15789 EGKPT. That only is it's randomly given the coding. There is no meaning to it. Now you will ask me why E has given 1, E has been given 1. So there is no reason for that. This is called a mixture question, where two words, two letters,
Ma'am,
two
Ma'am,
numbers will
but
be given to
five,
you.
ma'am, five is E. Ma'am,
Yes,
7
E
is
is
G.
5. So we are not
A
taking the
is
place
8.
values here. So we are
Ma'am,
not
K is
taking the
not
number
8.
equivalence. K is not 8, H is 8, but we are not taking the
What is
number.
this?
We are not taking the numbers here, the place values. ठीक है, it's randomly given. सिद्धांत, क्या आपको समझ आया?
Yes,
नहीं?
ma'am.
पक्का? चलो.
No, ma'am.
So, क्या आपने नो बोला? Should I explain again?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, 15789 है ना, 15789 किसका कोड है? EGKPT का कोड है, तो ये हमने लिख दिया EGKPT. उसके बाद ALUR किसके कोड्स हैं? A2 3 4 and 6. ठीक, तो आपको यहाँ पे 2 3 5 4 9, 2 किसका कोड है? 2A का कोड है. देन 3 इज कोड फॉर L, 5 इज कोड फॉर G. हाँ, तो ALG आपका आंसर होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन बी या सी आपका आंसर होगा. देन यू हैव 4, सो 4 इज फॉर U, ALGU, तो आपका आंसर ऑप्शन सी ALGU. आप
Ma'am,
देख
I got,
सकते
ma'am,
हैं.
I understood, ma'am, I understood.
Who is that? You did not understand that
Ma'am,
time.
I understood, ma'am, I understood.
That time you did not understand.
Yes, ma'am, I understand. Ma'am.
Okay, Siddhant, did you understand?
No, ma'am.
ओ सिद्धांत, देखो यहाँ पे, अब आप मुझे बताओ, आप मुझे एक्सप्लेन करो, आप मुझे एक्सप्लेन कीजिए. देखो क्या दिया है आपको, क्वेश्चन समझ में आ रहा है आपको? देखो क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है, 15789 दिया है ना आपको, और उसके लिए आपको कोडिंग दिया गया है. ये रैंडम कोडिंग है, इसको हम कहते हैं मिक्सचर क्वेश्चन. मिक्स करके दे दिए हैं, आपको बस उठाना है. आपको किसके लिए बताना है? 2 3 5 4 9. अभी इस टेबल में आप देखिए, मुझे बताइए 2 किसका कोड है सिद्धांत?
A.
ए, तो ए लिख दीजिए यहाँ पर. 3 किसका कोड है?
L.
एल, तो एल लिख दीजिए. 5 किसका कोड है?
G.
यू. 5 किसका है? जी. डिड यू से जी? यस, जी. 4 किसका कोड है?
U.
यू. समृद्धि, what happened? Are you losing the network? You are joining again and again. And lastly, सिद्धांत, 9 is for T,
Yes.
है ना? तो ALGUT, ये हो गया आपका आंसर, ऑप्शन सी. आप समझे?
Yes.
So we have come to the chocolate question already. Choose a correct answer from the following code below. Again, वही वाला question. It's the same question. Tell me. Just pick up the letter codes. 64928. 64. What is the code for 6? J. All the options are starting from J only. You have to work on eliminating the options also, right? So 6J. 4 is for which letter?
Ma'am, D.
B.
Ma'am, D.
D. Yes. 4 is for B. So you see, you have only. हाँ,
Ma'am,
yes,
D
you are
is
right.
answer.
Yes, of course. Because you have, आपके पास एक ही ऑप्शन है जहाँ पे J,
Ma'am,
B
this
है.
is too easy.
Ma'am, 9 for N.
हाँ.
9 for N.
So we don't have to go there. No, we got our answer for first two letters only. Because you see, we have all the options which are different in the second place. Second place में W, G, M and B, तो यही आपको आंसर दे देगा. You don't have to find for all the letters. Okay, चलो, moving on to the next then. सिद्धांत, समझ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो. So if AC is equal to 3 and DJ is equal to 14, then dog will be what? You see here, AC, how AC is equal to 3, A and C. A is 1, C is equal to 3. Huh? And 3 into 3, 3. For D and J, I told you from Ijoti, you know for J it is 10, for D it is 4. Multiply 40. Right? So for DOG it will be, what is the code for D? 4 again. For O, what is it? 15. From Ijoti, you know for O it is 15. And for G, what is it? 7. Multiply all of these. Do you know multiplication? You're in third grade, all of you. Have you learned
420.
multiplication? You have learned multiplication, right? Huh? Who does not know multiplication? It's okay if you do not know multiplication. You will learn soon, and when you will multiply all of these, you will get 420 as the answer, and your answer will be option D. Okay. Now moving on to another question. If rain is coded as 5, how rain is coded as
मैम
5?
पिछले वाला समझ नहीं आया मुझे.
सिद्धांत देखिए, आपको क्या करना है, पहले तो आप इनका कोड्स लिखिए. ए पहला लेटर है तो ए के लिए 1 होता है, ठीक है. सी कितने नंबर का लेटर है हमारा? सी थर्ड नंबर का लेटर है सिद्धांत, तो हमने 3 लिख दिया. इनको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आप तो आपको 3 मिल रहा है. इसलिए यहाँ पे देखिए क्या लिखा है, AC इज इक्वल टू 3. AC इज इक्वल टू 3 कैसे है? बिकॉज हम A और C जो उनका कोड्स है उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो हमारा 3 आ गया. एंड देन इफ यू सी DJ, D का कोडिंग क्या होता है? 4 होता है. एंड J का कोडिंग क्या होता है? 10 होता है. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई बोथ ऑफ दीज यू विल गेट 40 सिद्धांत. तो आपको DOG के लिए भी वही करना था, ठीक है. व्हाट डू यू नीड टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन? यू नीड टू नो मल्टीप्लिकेशन टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन. आपको क्या चाहिए क्वेश्चन का आंसर करने के लिए? आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन आना चाहिए. क्या आपको आता है सिद्धांत? क्या आपने सीखा है अब तक मल्टीप्लिकेशन?
नो मैम.
हाँ, तो कोई बात नहीं, आपने नहीं सीखा है, आप बहुत जल्दी स्कूल में सीख जाएंगे, या फिर थोड़ा थोड़ा घर में प्रैक्टिस कीजिए सिद्धांत, ठीक है. बिकॉज मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो आपका मैथ का चीज है, या फिर आप थोड़ा बहुत सी, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज नथिंग, जो हम टेबल पढ़ते हैं ना वही होता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ठीक है सिद्धांत. तो यहाँ पे हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन यूज किया है, हमने 4 into 15 किया है, एंड देन 15 into 7 किया है, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी आर गेटिंग 420. ठीक है सिद्धांत.
Yes.
Now moving on to the next question. If rain is coded as 5, how rain is coded as? Tell me, Shani, are you raising your hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
tell
so rain is coded at 5 because rain has 4 letters, and if we plus 1, so it's 5. In house, there are 5 letters. If we plus 1, it's 6. So in mathematics, there
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
so answer is
11?
12.
Answer is 12. Yes, you're right. Rayan, Vivansh, I see. Mosquito will go inside your mouth.
Before everybody.
Okay, Siddhant, देखिए यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. Someone called me out. Who was it?
मैम समझा दीजिए.
जरूर जरूर सिद्धांत. देखिए यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, इफ रेन इज कोडेड एज 5. रेन का कोडिंग है 5. अब रेन का कोडिंग 5 है कैसे? रेन का कोडिंग 5 इसलिए है क्योंकि रेन में कितने लेटर्स हैं सिद्धांत? 4 लेटर्स हैं, तो 4 + 1 5. हाउस में कितने लेटर्स हैं? HOUSE 5 लेटर्स हैं, तो 5 + 1 6, है ना. आपको मैथ्स के लिए भी यही करना है, मैथमेटिक्स के लिए भी आपको यही करना है. जब आप काउंट करोगे इसमें सारे लेटर्स तो ये 11 लेटर्स हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 लेटर्स है मैथमेटिक्स में. आपको इसमें 1 ऐड करना है, दैट वुड बी 12. इसलिए आपका आंसर हो जाएगा 12 सिद्धांत. समझे?
Yes.
बढ़िया. चलो, so we are moving on to the next question, and this is your question on the computer screen. If EAS is equal to 25 and PIT is equal to 45, then what will be for KOD?
4.
सोचो सोचो. Reyansh, dude, where are you? Samriddhi, why are you talking in the class? Naisha, do you get this question? Can you explain it to us?
Ma'am, it is 30.
30? 30, okay. Reyansh is, Siddhant is saying it's 30. Who gave the answer? Siddhant gave. Reyansh, who gave the answer? Reyansh did? Can you explain
Ma'am,
it?
answer, ma'am, it's 30. Ma'am, no. Ma'am,
Please
it's
explain
30
it once. 30 only, please explain it once.
Ma'am, see, ma'am, K's number is 11. So O's number is 15. So 11 plus 15 equals to 26. Plus D's number is 4. So plus 4 will get 30.
Hmm. Yes, Vivansh, I see your big eyes. Tell me what, explain this question, Vivansh. Don't take yawns. Explain it to us.
Dun, dun, dun.
Vivansh, explain कीजिए जरा. Priyansh, please don't sing.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Okay, you may drink water, Naisha. Reyansh, जरा explain कीजिए, please. No, not Reyansh, Vivansh.
Ma'am, my battery is low. That's why I am trying to stop it.
Stop what?
My battery is getting low.
Your battery or your device battery?
My device battery.
Oh, so you want to plug your device? Okay, plug it in.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, Naisha.
can I explain it?
Of course I will do. Of course I will do. See, for EAS. Ah,
Can I explain it?
yes,
Ma'am,
Reyansh
can
has already explained. No, I want one of you to explain. Reyansh has already explained. Who is
Ma'am,
asking
can
for
I
explanation? Please do, Naisha. Please explain.
See, E equals to 5 and A equals to 1 and S equals to 19. So we have to plus it. Like 5 plus 1 plus 19 equals to 25.
9 plus 1 equals to 20 and plus 5 equals to 25. For that reason, EAS is equal to 25, Vivansh. Right, Vivansh? Yes?
Yes.
Huh? So how has we written 45 for PIT? What is the code for P? O is? O is 15, right? So after O we have P, so O will be 16. For I, what is it? Ha, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I know how to do this one.
Ha, tell me please, what is for I?
We are
9.
adding place
Ha, we are adding the place number,
Place
the number
values.
equivalence. Yes, place value also you may say it. We are
Ma'am,
just adding. For I,
for I it's 9.
9. For T,
For T, ma'am,
20.
it's
T20
20.
match? T20 match, so 20 for T, right? When you will add all of these, 29 plus 16, right? 29 plus 16, 9 plus 16, 15, 5, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, and plus 1, 4, 45. Okay, for that reason, you have 45. One last question from the chocolate question. In a certain code, Sikkim is written as this. How is that possible? First, we have to find out that SIKKIM. Sikkim has been coded as THLJJL.
Ma'am,
Huh.
we have to just add one letter like R plus 1.
Okay.
I mean S plus 1 T.
Okay, but if I add one letter to I will get J. But for I, it's written H here.
Ma'am, is it like 1 plus, then another minus, 1 plus, then another minus?
Of course, it's 1 plus, alternatively 1 plus, 1 minus, minus 1 plus, like that. सिद्धांत, S से एक आगे जाओगे तो आपको T मिलेगा. S के बाद क्या आता है? Which letter comes, सिद्धांत? T. So T, इसलिए T लिखे हैं यहाँ पर because we have done 1 plus. I से एक लेटर पीछे जाओगे तो I आपका 9th नंबर का लेटर होता है. 8th नंबर का लेटर होता है आपका H. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा -1. एक पीछे गए हैं हम. अगेन K से आप एक आगे जाओगे, K 11th होता है और L आपका 12th होता है, तो ये फिर हमने +1 कर दिया. अगेन -1, +1.
Ma'am, answer is B.
Your answer is option 2, of course. Yes. So RAIN. +1, -1, +1 and -1. +1 RS. So your answer will start from S. Huh? You eliminate out the options. You don't have to check all the options, or you don't have to find all the answers. 1 minus from A, that will be Z. A से एक backward जाओगे ना तो आप Z पे पहुंचोगे. ए से अगर एक पीछे जाओगे तो आप तो कहोगे मैम ए तो पहला लेटर ही होता है, तो लेकिन ए से इफ यू गो 1 backward, you'll go to Z. You will write Z for A. Okay, so that's why your answer will be option 2 here. I guess we have one more question in the chocolate one.
Ma'am, but for A, if we go +1, it should be If we go -1, there's nothing.
Nothing, yes, but you have to go backwards. You have to go backward. Z. It's like snake which is eating its own tail. Right? You have to write Z for it. Next one. Pale is coded as 2134. Again, ये आपका mixture question है जहाँ पे आपको only the codes are already given. आपको code already दे दिया गया है. Tell me.
अगर 1 से पीछे जाओगे तो कौन सा नंबर आता है?
1 से पीछे जाओगे तो आपका 26 आएगा. हमारा लास्ट लेटर कौन सा है सिद्धांत? Z है ना? Z.
Yes.
तो A से आप एक पीछे जाएंगे तो आप Z में जाएंगे 26th लेटर में. आप फिर से वापस चले जाएंगे.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
You know the answer? Please tell me.
Ma'am, the answer is B.
The answer is option 2. Yes, let's see. For Pearl, P के लिए क्या कोडिंग है? 2 है. तो your answer will start from P only. For E, it is 4. So yes, you have only such option. आपके पास एक ही option है जहाँ पे 2 के बाद 4 is written. I don't have to find all the answers. ठीक है? That was chocolate questions and that's the end of chocolate question. Now we are going to see some substitution questions. ठीक है? Substitution question में क्या है? यहाँ पे 3 चीज हम cover करेंगे. Type 1, Type 4, substitution. Fifth is,
Ma'am, it's ink. Ma'am, it's ink.
it's ink. Okay, let me
Yes, ma'am.
explain. Let me explain. Rehansh, very good. Excellent. Excellent. Ink only. Yeah, let's see. So here also I will cover 3 things with you. First is the Type 4 and Type 5. Type 1, Type 2, like all those we have seen already. This is Type 4, which is substitution. Substitution में अभी आपको दिखाऊंगी मैं substitution. Then we will see mathematical operations and last में फिर again आपका chocolate question. First is the type substitution. Orange is called butter. ऑरेंज को हम बटर कह रहे हैं. बटर इज कॉल्ड सोप. बटर को हम सोप कहते हैं. सोप इज कॉल्ड इंक. इंक को हम हनी कहते हैं और हनी को ऑरेंज कहते हैं. सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज्ड फॉर वॉशिंग हैंड? हाथ धोने के लिए हम सोप का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. वी यूज सोप टू वॉश आवर हैंड्स एंड सोप इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? यू कैन सी सोप इज कॉल्ड इंक. तो दैट इज व्हाई योर आंसर विल बी इंक. सिद्धांत, कैन यू रीड द क्वेश्चन वंस फॉर मी? एक बार क्वेश्चन रीड करके बताइए मुझे.
Porridge is called butter.
Ma'am, I know this answer.
we have
Butter
already
is
discussed.
called soap. Soap is called ink. Ink is called honey.
Honey is called
And honey is called orange.
which of the following?
Which used to washing hands.
Is used
Washing hands.
washing hands. So what do we use for washing hands, सिद्धांत? सोप यूज करते हैं.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's ink.
तो यहाँ पे देखो सोप के लिए क्या लिखा है? सोप के लिए इंक लिखा है. तो yes, you are right, रेयांश. Yes, our answer will be ink, all of you. सिद्धांत समझ गया?
Ma'am, snakes.
Okay. If the animals which can walk are called swimmer. जो एनिमल्स जो स्विम कर सकते, जो चल सकते हैं, उसको हम स्विमर्स कहते हैं. एनिमल्स हु क्रॉल आर कॉल्ड फ्लाइंग. जो क्रॉल करते हैं उसको हम फ्लाइंग कहते हैं. दोज लिविंग इन वाटर आर कॉल्ड स्नेक्स. जो पानी में रहते हैं उनको हम स्नेक्स बोल रहे हैं. दोज विच फ्लाई इन द स्काई आर कॉल्ड हंटर्स. देन व्हाट विल बी अ फिश कॉल्ड?
Ma'am,
So
snake.
fish lives in water. Yes, you are right. Fish कहाँ रहती है? फिश पानी में रहती है और पानी में रहने वाले एनिमल्स को हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? Snakes. Vivansh, where are you? Did you got this question, Vivansh? Can you explain it to me once? Naisha, are you there? Vivansh? हाँ.
See, those living in water are called snakes. So, a fish lives in water. So, the answer is snake.
Yes, Naisha, of course you are right. But Vivansh, can you explain it to me once?
Then, if
हाँ.
animals are called swimmers, who
हाँ.
crawl are called flying, living in water are called snakes. Flying, living in water are fish. But they are keeping it snakes. So, B is the correct answer.
Of course, well explained. सिद्धांत क्या आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं एक बार? Yes, Amrita, I'll give you a chance. सिद्धांत, क्या आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं एक बार?
No, ma'am.
क्यों नहीं कर सकते? आपने तो क्वेश्चन भी पढ़ा है. देखो, आपका क्वेश्चन क्या था कि फिश को हम क्या बुलाएंगे? तो फिश कहाँ रहती है? पानी में रहती है, आपको पता है ना? ऑफ कोर्स. क्या फिश खाते हैं? Who all eats fish and who all likes fish? Samriddhi must be liking. Samriddhi, do you like fish? No? No?
I like.
You
I
do not
like,
like
ma'am.
fish. You do? You do?
I
I also
like.
like. I also like fish.
Ma'am,
Riyansh,
I'm pure veg.
you are pure veg. Okay, so what's your favorite food in vegetarian, Ishani?
Ma'am, paneer.
Paneer. Great.
Ma'am,
So,
fried paneer.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am, I am a vegetarian and non-vegetarian both.
Ma'am, I'm
My favorite is
omnivorous.
omelette.
Omnivorous. Yes, those
Ma'am,
are
I'm
called
veg and I like omelette.
I'm not omnivore. What?
Ma'am, I'm
Om
vegetarian.
you are vegetarian. Vivansh, you said you like fish.
Both. Ma'am,
No,
I'm
You
ma'am.
are
both.
both. You are both. Yes. So those
Ma'am,
are
I
called
like
non-veg,
omelette.
non-vegetarian.
Ma'am, I
Who
like
eats?
omelette, not fish.
Oh, you don't like fish, but you like omelette. Okay, then you are vegetarian. राइट. सिद्धांत, देखो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, विल बी अ फिश कॉल. तो फिश को आप, फिश पानी में रहती है और पानी में रहने वाले एनिमल्स को हम क्या बुला रहे हैं? स्नेक्स बुला रहे हैं. लिविंग इन वाटर, दोज लिविंग इन वाटर आर कॉल्ड स्नेक्स. तो फिशेस को हम स्नेक्स बुलाएंगे. सिद्धांत, क्या आप समझे?
Yes, ma'am.
बढ़िया. चलो बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. नाउ अनदर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. तो यहाँ पे, सो हाउ मेनी टाइप ऑफ मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन डू यू नो, ऑल ऑफ यू? Which all mathematical operation do you know? Addition, subtraction, multiplication,
Division.
division also you know?
Yes.
Great, great.
No, ma'am.
So, no? Okay. So, okay, at least you must be knowing addition, subtraction and multiplication. ठीक है? If not even multiplication, you must be knowing addition and subtraction. ठीक है? You have to use these mathematical operations now. In a certain code language, plus का मतलब है minus. So, if you see plus somewhere, you will write it as minus. ठीक है? प्लस मीन्स एंड देन माइनस मीन्स प्लस. जहां पे प्लस लिखा है वहां पे माइनस बनाओगे, जहां माइनस लिखा है वहां प्लस बनाओगे. देन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन. ठीक है? इट इज 51 minus 25 minus 10 plus 20. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट. माइनस को हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? माइनस विल बी कोडेड एज, माइनस मीन्स प्लस. तो माइनस है ना, मेक इट प्लस. 51 plus 25. नाउ अगेन वी हैव माइनस हियर, मेक इट प्लस 10. We have plus here, make it minus 20. Can you solve this expression? Anyone? Try to solve it. I will give you 3 minutes to solve.
Ma'am,
So-
the answer is 66.
Answer is 66. Okay, all of you take time and solve it, please. Do some maths on a notebook. Vivansh, do you have a notebook? Do some maths. Do it on a notebook, Vivansh.
That's 10, please.
Oh, ma'am.
No, I have so much, ma'am.
सिद्धांत, देखो आपको क्या करना है. क्या आप अच्छा ठीक है, चलो मैं आपको एक बार और बताती हूँ.
I'm 66.
66.
I'm 62. I'm 62.
62. We don't have that in option. Then 66 only, maybe you might have got some mistakes. देखो
Ma'am,
सिद्धांत यहाँ
I'm
पे
66.
66. Okay. If in a certain code language प्लस मीन्स माइनस, प्लस का मतलब है माइनस, मतलब आपको जहां प्लस दिखेगा सिद्धांत, आप वहां उसको माइनस में चेंज कर दोगे. इसको हम कहते हैं सब्स्टिट्यूशन. मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन में आप इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. ठीक है? आपको जहां प्लस दिखेगा आप वहां माइनस लिख दो, आपको जहां माइनस दिखेगा वहां प्लस लिख दो. मुझे क्या दिख रहा है? मुझे 51 minus 25 minus 10 plus 20 दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. ठीक है? माइनस को प्लस बनाना है, माइनस की जगह प्लस लिख दो. 25 तो लिख ही दो, 25 तो इज ऑलरेडी देयर. देन माइनस अगेन, तो यहाँ पे प्लस लिख देंगे. 10 माइनस प्लस है, माइनस लिख देंगे 20. अब आपको ये सॉल्व करना है सिद्धांत. 51 plus 25 कीजिए सिद्धांत.
Ma'am, 76.
70 नॉट, 76. 76 में 10 ऐड कीजिए. हु गिव द आंसर?
It is 86.
86 में 20 माइनस कीजिए.
Ma'am, it is 66.
66 is your answer, Siddhant.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I audible? Yes? So your answer will be 66, all of you. Naisha, are you there with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we move ahead?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
may I go to washroom?
Okay, I will give 5-minute break then, all of you. You can take 5-minute break. Please be back fast. Take 5 minutes break.
Ma'am, we will start now.
Yes, Siddhant. We will start.
Okay.
So you are able to talk in English, Siddhant.
मैम थोड़ी सी आती हूँ मुझे.
थोड़ी सी आती है. Okay, fine. All of you, please be back. Reyansh, Vivansh, Naisha, Samriddhi, break over. Shall we start, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, okay then. Reyansh and Vivansh, all of you are not back yet.
Ma'am, I'm over here, but I'm in camera.
That I know you are here, and Siddhant is also here. Vivansh has not come back. Reyansh also has not.
Ma'am, I'm there.
You are there, Naisha? Great. Chalo, so we will start. In a certain code language, again, multiplication means minus. So wherever you see multiplication, आप उसको minus बना दो. Division means plus. Division आपको जहां दिख रहा है उसको आप plus लिख दो. Find the value of this expression. 71 multiplication 25 division 24 multiplication 20. Right? Multiplication means minus. So 71 minus 25. Division means plus, so plus 24. Multiplication means minus 20. So you know operation these plus and minus only are there. 71 minus 25. What will that be? 71 minus 25?
46, ma'am.
46 plus 24.
70.
46 plus 24.
70.
70 minus 20.
50.
50 is your answer. Option C. Easy?
Yes.
Chalo, badhiya. Next, last chocolate questions for us. Again, if in a certain code language plus, okay, I want all of you to do it. Do it by yourself. Try to do this question on your notebook. Plus means multiple. Reyansh is back. Vivansh has not come back.
Ma'am, the answer is 56.
Oh, you are there? But you do not have 56 in the option, Vivansh. Substitute. I have
Ma'am,
substitute.
but I couldn't see all the answers.
Ma'am, I am here.
You are there? All of you are there? I have not substituted. Substitute first.
Ma'am, 91.
91.
Ma'am, I couldn't see all
Yes.
the answers.
You can't see all the options. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Answer is B.
Answer is option 2. Yes.
Correct, ma'am.
So we have to use BODMAS rule here. 21. See, what is BODMAS first of all? All of you may not be aware of BODMAS. Of course, you are in grade 3. First of all, you will do this multiplication. BODMAS, BODMAS is a very, when you will go to your 5th or 6th grade, that time you will learn BODMAS. But you may know now.
I
also.
wrote BODMAS when I was in grade 2.
Okay, great then. So you may apply BODMAS here. You can see bracket of
Ma'am,
division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Tell me,
ma'am, I'm grade 1st.
you're in grade 1, Siddhant.
Yes.
Does the team know that you're in grade 1?
Yes.
They do. You only asked that you will be in grade 3. You will be in this batch, grade 3 batch. You wanted to be in this batch.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you want me to inform this to them that you're in grade 1? You should be provided for grade 1 level.
Yep.
नो सिद्धांत, क्या आप चाहते हो कि मैं टीम को बताऊं कि आप ग्रेड 1 में हो तो आपको ग्रेड 1 की ही चीजें पढ़ाई जाए, या फिर आप यहाँ पे एडजस्ट कर लेंगे, मतलब आप यहाँ पे सीखना पसंद करेंगे?
यहीं पे.
यहीं पे चलो ठीक है, बढ़िया, नो प्रॉब्लम। आप यहीं पे थोड़ा सा आप ग्रेड 1 में आप सोचो, आप इतने ग्रेड 1 में ये सारी चीजें सीख जाओगे तो अच्छी बात है ना। देखो, सबसे पहले आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, क्योंकि हमारे पास डिवीजन तो है नहीं यहाँ पे, सिंस वी डू नॉट हैव डिवीजन, सो यू हैव टू अप्लाई मल्टीप्लिकेशन फर्स्ट। सो 21 प्लस 5 10 50, राइट? एंड देन अब सब यहाँ पे एडिशन है, ऑल दी ऑपरेशन आर एडिशन ओनली। 21 प्लस 50 करेंगे एंड देन वी विल ऐड 20 to it, right? 71 plus 20 will do and you'll get 91 as the answer. Chalo. Oh, very easy question. All of you. Next easy question. Easiest question of the century. Solve the third question. Second question here. Please solve.
Yellow.
White is called blue. Blue is
Yellow.
called red. Okay, Riansh, great. Red is called yellow and yellow is called green. Green is called black. Black is called orange. What would be the color of human blood? It's red. And red is called what? Yellow.
Mom, I was going to say yellow now.
Okay. Good timing. Same pinch. Chalo, next question. If air is called green, green is called blue, blue is called sky, and sky is called yellow, yellow is called water, and what is called pink? What is the color of the clear sky? It's a sky. And it's sky. Again, your answer will be sky. Clear sky. What is the color of the clear sky? So it's a sky only, right? Next question. If train is called bus, bus is called tractor, tractor is called car. Car is called scooter. Scooter is called bicycle.
Car.
A tractor to plow the field. The tractor is called car. So yes, your answer is going to be car. Okay, Siddhant, all good? समझ में आया? You are able to understand? बढ़िया. चलो, last question. आगे now, so we are given symbols now. If at the rate means plus, hashtag means
9.
find the value of this one.
9.
5 hashtag division 5 at the rate plus 80 hashtag division 20. So क्या कहा हमने कि डिवीजन पहले करने के लिए?
9.
Yes, 25 5 के टेबल में कितने टाइम्स आते हैं? 5 टाइम्स आते हैं. एंड देन 80 20 के टेबल में कितने टाइम्स आएंगे? 2 टाइम्स आएंगे, बिकॉज 80 को ऐसे लिखो 80/2, तो 0 0 कैंसल आउट एंड 4 2s are 8, so that would be 4 addition 9. Vivansh, everything all right? Are you able to understand? Show me thumbs up. Yeah? Okay, great. So your answer will be option 2 here. Badhiya. So how was it?
Good.
Good? So give me,
Interesting.
interesting. Give me answer to one question. Which animal has same fingerprint as humans?
Monkey.
No.
Monkey.
No.
Ma'am, chimpanzees.
No chimpanzee.
Humans have same as humans.
No, no human can have same fingerprint as humans. You cannot have same fingerprint as me. Huh.
Ma'am, we have our fingerprint.
Okay, no, no.
And-
Not your answer. You will be very astonished to know the answer, you know. Let me show that.
Hand. Another
Ma'am.
hand. No animal.
No,
No.
there is an animal. That's why I am asking, no? There is
Ma'am,
an
humans.
Elephant.
Tiger.
Tiger has
animal has same finger as human. So the answer is on your
William.
koalas. Koalas.
Ma'am,
Mom, every human doesn't have the same. Polar also will not have the same.
Our fingerprints are very different. So that's
ma'am, what animal has blue blood?
blueprint.
Blue blood.
Blue.
Octopus.
Correct.
Correct?
Ma'am, even squid.
Even squid, yes. Octopus.
Ma'am, I want to. Which is the smallest creature of the sea?
Of the sea, I think that would be
Fish.
No.
no. There are many.
Ma'am, What goes with
Ma'am,
2
tell
legs
me
and
the
comes
most
back with 3
venomous.
legs?
Ma'am, tell me the most venomous animal on the planet.
Black mamba.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
No.
What is the
Ma'am,
smallest
it's a box jellyfish.
animal?
Oh.
Then
Boxfish, I know
What
that.
does
Box-
a whale eat?
What? Nice.
What does the whales eat?
What is a whale? The small fishes.
ma'am,
Shrimps.
ma'am, what goes with 2 legs and comes
I'm
back with
shrimp.
3 legs?
Come, goes in 2 legs, come back. I don't know.
Ma'am,
Humans only.
the
Us only.
smallest bird. Easy, ma'am.
Ma'am, us only.
Hummingbird.
Ma'am, humans only go with 2 legs and come back with 3 legs.
Humans. You only said the answer.
Then means humans will grow when they are old. They'll have they'll go by 2 legs. When they are very old, they'll get a stick. The stick is the 3rd leg.
Sounds logical. Any more answers?
No, but when they were very small, they had 4 legs because they used to crawl with their using their hands and legs.
Ah, see, that also makes sense. Yeah, someone is calling me out. Who is that?
I think,
Somebody, tell me.
Ma'am, I'm not asking.
Ma'am, not even me.
Not you. Who was? Siddhant, बताइए.
Who is largest egg?
Which is the largest egg? Ostrich egg. Huh? Say
Wrong.
no?
Ma'am, dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Yeah.
But dinosaur does not exist now.
Yeah, but
Does not
it has the largest
exist.
leg.
It's extinct.
Okay, Siddhant will verify whether it is correct or Siddhant, was my answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
See, he's saying yes.
Ma'am, 1 more minute.
1 more minute. It's okay. I can spare that 1 more minute. Can you, do you want to say anything else?
Ma'am, I told you that time I wanted to say the biggest words spelling.
Ah, tell.
CNUMONO ULTRA SCOPIC CYLICO VOLCANO COLSIS pneumono ultramicroscopic silcoid kinesiology.
Can you tell me what does that mean?
Ma'am,
Ah, Siddhant. Wait a
that
minute.
means
Wait. Siddhant, take a minute. Huh, Vivansh?
A disease made by silica dust.
Silica. Oh my, do you know silica dust also? Wow.
Ma'am, I actually don't know it. I actually heard it from Spellbeat.
So what is silica?
It's
Is
a
it-
dust.
Okay, no problem. If you know this, in the meantime, I mean, by the time you will grow up, you will know that also. हाँ बताओ सिद्धांत बताइए.
ma'am, which is the biggest bird?
Biggest
Ma'am,
bird.
Ma'am, I have learned, ma'am, in my science class.
This question, no, Rehan.
Ma'am, who's the fastest athlete?
Athlete.
Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt.
Correct.
But answer this question, no, he asked me which is the biggest bird, largest bird.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Siddhant. Ostrich. Please verify, is it correct or not?
And vulture.
What?
Vulture is the.
No. Ostrich is
No,
big.
ma'am, it is correct.
Ostrich.
Ma'am, vulture.
Ostrich. No.
Ostrich.
Vulture is smaller than ostrich. Ostrich is bigger than the vulture.
Yeah.
So are we done for the day? Yes. I will see you on Saturday, all of you. Enjoy your Sunday.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Bye-bye. Take care. All of you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. And have a good day ahead.
Bye, ma'am.
And
Bye-bye.
have a
Have a
good
good
day ahead.
day. Same to you,
Bye,
Samir.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Take care, ma'am.
Same to you. Bye-bye. Take care.